es noch irgendwie Videos, die ich mir anschauen sollte, wo ihr sagt, das? Weil wir haben schon Ewigkeiten keine Videos mehr geschaut. Oh, I gave my Goldfish $50,000 to trade stocks.
2:30 a.m. Time to rise and grind. First thing I do is grab breakfast. Wish I had time to cook. But I'm far too busy for that.
Ein rohes Ei für den Shot gegessen, das ist schon...
It's been 6 months since I quit YouTube to trade stocks full time. Social media is nice and all that.
I like to get the day started with just a nice casual jog. Just relax the body.
Ich kannte den gar nicht. Er hat ja 6 Millionen Follower, der ist ja richtig bekannt. Aber er lässt seinen Goldfish 50.000 Euro in Aktien handeln.
You know, get your blood pumping, get a good start to the day.
But the real money is in the stock market. Now we can finally get to work.
Stock, options, futures, derivative futures, buy Coin. Take all your savings, put it in the Coin. Day trade that option, trade that stock. Coin is worthless. I sold every last drop of my Coin. Sell it all, and then your options buy it. Got it. And that's just a day in the life of a stock trader, baby. I executed the stock trade, and it gave me money. So make sure to
Ist gut, dass es mal ein bisschen Ironie gibt, weil es gibt schon ziemlich viele Leute, die sich als die ultimativen Trader darstellen und Leute da rein locken wollen. Aber let's see. Wie was dein Goldfish so ertradet?
Tune in next time for... Listen, I don't know how to trade stocks, man. I lost all my money on Robinhood. I had no idea what I'm doing. If only there was something that could trade stocks for me. Hi, I want to give my goldfish Frederick the ability to trade.
So reingeschnitten. Das Setup sieht richtig aus wie bei, wie heißt der nochmal? Casey Neistat. Heißt er Neistat? Ja. Neistat.
Stock. Now I know what you're thinking. Michael, you own a goldfish? And Michael, why haven't you posted a video in 8 months? Anyways, this is my idea. Right here. We track Frederick's position anywhere he is in the tank. Then, every morning when the stock market opens, he'll be prompted with 2 random companies. He'll choose one by spending
Nice, das ist echt gut.
more time on that side of the tank. Then the computer will take his decision and buy that stock with the money of whoever is sponsoring this video. But before any of that, we need to track fish.
Ah, nice, sehr, sehr gute
I think I
Idee.
built my fish tank.
Komplett automatisierter Trading-Algorithmus. Das Problem ist nur, das Ganze könnte gebiased sein, dahingehend, dass der Fisch sich ja wahrscheinlich natürlich in einem Bereich mehr aufhält als im anderen, wo er sich zum Beispiel verstecken kann. Von daher weiß ich nicht, ob man das Aquarium nicht jeden Tag einmal umdrehen muss oder so. Also nicht umdrehen, sondern umbauen.
White wall because it provides ample lighting and doesn't overstimulate my fish. Wrong. I did it so I can write the detection software to just look for orange pixels of the fish and it won't get fucked up by a shitty, messy background. Here's some code I wrote that displays what the camera sees. It's not much, but we can add a function in that filters out specific colors, like apartheid. Then we can tell that function to filter out every color that isn't orange. Now this is kind of a complicated coding thing, so just try to keep up with this. And bada bing, bada boom, we got a color mask. But it has these little speckles of shit in it. We just gotta sprinkle some post-processing code on there and clean
Wow, ich bin echt beeindruckt also über sein Editing und so, richtig
it
krass.
right up. I did not have to Google how to do that. Shut the fuck up. Then we take that post-processed image, find the location of this little blob of pixels, draw a circle around it, then take that circle, copy it, draw it on the original image. Bada bing, bada boom, tracking fish track. And honestly, that was most of the hard part. I just added some random stuff like the tickers and some logic, and I think we're ready to test it without actual money, because I don't know if it works.
Okay, wie geil ist das denn? Ich will das auch. Wir brauchen ein Aquarium im neuen Büro. Ab Oktober haben wir ein neues Büro.
All right, so you should see these lights turn on, including the fish tank one, because I wired it to this relay box over there, and the program should turn them on automatically. Anytime it will turn them. God fucking damn, is it broke? No, the lights are on. Boom, tickers at the
Oh, Boeing versus Altria.
top. Boom, the fish is choosing. He's favoring the MO one. Ooh, what'll it be? Ooh, what's he gonna? Oh my god, it fucking worked. That's so amazing. The fish bought stock.
Okay, das war ein bisschen zu kurzfristig
Well,
gedacht,
he
aber.
didn't buy the stock, but like he chose the stock. That's amazing. He bought Altria over Boeing. Excellent choice.
Und wie hat er das gemacht mit welche der beiden er nimmt? Da muss ja auch ein Zufallsalgorithmus
Actual
haben.
stock market, which is actually going to be super easy. There's like 1 million of these stock market APIs that let you buy stocks with just a little bit of code. I'm going to use this one called Alpaca API. They're all pretty much the same though. And really all I have to do is add a few lines to the fish code and yeah, I guess we're done. Yeah, Frederick can start trading stocks anytime. I'm going to go upstairs and start it. What is that? What is
Wall Street Bets?
Wall Street Bets? Wall Street Bets is a subreddit for dipshits who
Auf Deutsch Mauerstraßenwetten. Einer der beliebtesten Reddits. Auch von
try to get rich quick on meme stocks. We like the stock. We like the... Like this idiot who recorded himself losing $50,000 in 2 seconds. Their investments are not based on logic here. They're based on memes and tendies. Those guys are fucking geniuses. Their stocks only go up.
Their stocks only go up. Ja, geil.
Bot that scraped the Wall Street Bets subreddit and just bought stocks based on what they posted there. Should I just start over? But Frederick already knows how to trade stocks. But those guys from Wall Street Bets literally only pick good stocks. You've seen GameStop, you've seen Tesla, you saw Frederick in there, he was fucking incredible. Just stick to the plan. Wall Street Bets said it would be free tendies. What do you not get about free tendies? I don't know. I wish, like, if only I could make both and then pit the two systems against each other in a super sick competition of fish versus man to see which one makes more money.
Ah, geil. Er hat als Benchmark die Wall Street Bets gewählt. Also sein Fisch tritt quasi an gegen Wall Street Bets. Das ist nice. Das ist like, was ihr hier vorschlagt. Die Dirk Müller-Strategie.
Frederick takes an early lead by buying Nike stock. But those dumbasses at Wall Street Bets buy Lucid and they're close behind. This is gonna be a it's me, the bitch-ass audience. Michael, you can't just represent an entire community with a computer program. Yes, the fuck I can. For this bot to work, we need to know how Wall Street Bets feels about certain stocks. To do this, we're gonna use sentiment analysis, which is a natural language processing technique that uses machine learning.
Mhm, krass, ey, der hat ja richtig Plan. Ganz cool ist auch, dass sein Mikrofon nicht eingestöpselt ist. Man hat das USB-Kabel auf dem Boden
We're
gesehen.
looking through my YouTube comments. One says, "Die forever, bastard. I hate you." A sentiment
Mark Robert hat das, glaube ich, nie geschrieben.
analysis bot would classify that as negative. And if we look at another one that says, "I think you're great. Also, I have a super cool robot idea for you," a sentiment analysis bot would classify that as super fucking negative because your idea probably sucks ass. To train a sentiment analysis bot, you need a lot of labeled data. So a lot of samples of text that are labeled positive or negative by a human. There are a lot of these data sets out there that are publicly available, but the text is like normal person talking. Wall Street Bets,
They talk about tendies and YOLO and boomers.
Hands or paper hands.
Stongs, just YOLO.
very unique vocabulary. Therefore, I needed to make my own data set using their fucked weird Wall Street Bets language. So I went to r/Wall Street Bets, sorted by top of all time, downloaded the top 10,000 posts, and all that's left to do was to label them as positive or negative.
10.000 Posts hat er gelabelt, das ist
Down
schon
with a
krass.
nice cup of coffee and labeled the data myself. No, that would have taken 4 or 5 hours. That's fucking stupid.
4 or 5 hours. In 4 bis 5 Stunden wird er 10.000 Dinger labeln.
Was
Niemals.
learning the React web framework and building a website that would allow users to log in and label the data for me. Then I tweeted asking Wall Street Bets members to give me their Reddit usernames. I then plugged those usernames into the Reddit API, got the top 10 accounts with the most Reddit karma who were active on Wall Street Bets. Those 10 people labeled 1,000 posts each, 10,000 posts total, and created the data set for me. And that's how you turn a 5-hour task into a 1.5-month task.
Das glaube ich nämlich auch, ja. Das, was er gerade programmiert hat, ist, ja, also mehr als 4 bis 5 Stunden sicherlich.
Because I'm a programmer, and that's what we do. I use that data set to train a sentiment analysis bot, and now every morning when the fish is trading stocks, this bot is going on r/Wall Street Bet. It's looking through the top post of the day until it finds one it likes, and then it buys the stock that post is talking about. So that's how that works. Let's get back to the competition and see which one is better at trading stocks.
Insane things are happening, Michael. Crazy buying Costco and Facebook?
Meta now.
It's a crazy day. There's a lot of volatility right now.
Very confusing. I don't know where this one's gonna go. I'm gonna get an expert's opinion on
Ja, geil. Wie lange hat er das gemacht? Das müssen wir echt mal gucken.
this for sure. Have a nice day.
All set.
Hey! This is Graham Stephan. He does financial investing videos and is also rich as fuck.
So you do money.
Yeah.
You have money. I came to ask you questions. I'm gonna give you 2 portfolios. I just want you to look them over. Which one do you think is better?
Okay.
Portfolio One, der Fisch. Was hat er da drin? Wells Fargo mit 7,9%. Den Rest kann ich leider nicht lesen. Dow Inc., also, ja, okay, Dow, AT&T, Pfizer, Nike, das sind nur die Dinge, die ich lesen kann. Mondelez, Wells Fargo, Medtronic, okay. Okay. Sieht gar nicht so unanständig aus. Also sieht jetzt nicht so nach so einem crazy Wall Street Bets Portfolio aus, ja.
One's interesting. Now Portfolio 2. Okay.
Wall Street. Okay, Tesla, Nvidia, Avis. Okay, Avis muss so ein YOLO-Trade sein. BlackBerry, klar, gehört mit dazu, zu diesen YOLO-Trades. Context Logic Inc. Symbol ist Wish. Ist es wirklich Wish? Also ist Context Logic Inc. Ist es Wish? Schreib mir das mal zu. Der Fisch ist besser Trader als ich imagine.
The market's been down. Pretty much everything has been down the last 3 months.
Yeah.
But if I were to,
Yeah.
I would feel way more comfortable with the first one.
Ja, hätte ich auch gesagt, ja. Das Fischportfolio ist auf jeden Fall solide.
I
Ja.
told you that an algorithm has picked all of these stocks.
I would believe it.
I'm gonna give you the performance
Wow, the algorithm has performed. Now, this is only over 3 months.
for the
Ja, keine Aussage. Aber gut, ich meine, für das Video zu produzieren 3 Monate kommen.
portfolio one is managed by Frederick. This video is about investing. So like maybe giving viewers an opportunity to invest into a fund that is managed by my fish.
So, it's a fish.
Yeah. That settles it. Fish is the superior technology.
The superior technology.
Right? No, I think I can use this fish technology to create a legitimate business. I've been working on a startup proposal for the last couple of days, and I have a meeting set up to try and get some investors. So it's like a venture capitalist startup.
Nein, das hat er nicht gemacht. Der geht Venture Capitalist pitchen. Das wäre so krank.
Except it wasn't that at all. It was like this weird fucking hype house for startup founders. So each one of these people has started their own company, and the management has allowed me to pitch my startup idea to them.
Hello, everybody. My name is
geil
Michael.
ist
I'm here
das?
representing Reeves, a small fintech startup.
Wie geil. Der Typ hat sie echt auf die Spitze getrieben. Wie viele Views hat das Video? 7 Millionen. Ja, das ist komplett verdient.
You've seen it all happening already. Articles like this. A lot of inexperienced people are losing money in the stock market. That's where Reefly fits in. We have a couple of algorithms going. WSB, mainly sentiment analysis.
Followers, online speculative outlets, track analysis
The
movement.
second, Fish, tracks analyst movements. WSB is performing well below market average, but Fish is outperforming the Nasdaq by some 13%.
Geil. Das stimmt. Wann hat er das hochgeladen? Warte mal. 1. April 22. Okay, ja gut. Dann, das ist natürlich der Moment, wo der Nasdaq ziemlich geblutet hat. Also seit Anfang des Jahres. Und da ist er natürlich mit seinen Fischstocks, was ja eigentlich relativ robuste Werte waren. Ne? So ein Pfizer war da drin. Was war da noch drin gewesen? Also eigentlich viele Value-Aktien, ne? Die ja besser gelaufen sind als Technologie. Nicht
That
schlecht.
last quarter, honestly, the main reason I'm here is because of the performance of that Fish technology. It's performing very well, but generally, we think it can be performing even better. Pretty sure it comes down to a few things. Tank health, clarity, like of the water.
Wie geil ist das denn? Wie sauber das Wasser ist und geil.
We're probably going to be improving food and like better filters in general. Oh, I already covered that. We need to know how long the fish can perform. Looking into the data, the lifespan
Wie geil ist das? Das ist der Hammer, ey. Der Ausdruck, der
of the
Gesichtsausdruck.
species is generally around 8 to 12 years. We think that with better water parameters and more attention to the food, we can get it up to an outlier of 20 plus years. The fish name is Frederick, and that, thank you. Do you have any questions?
Boah, ich weiß gar nicht, wie ich da reagieren würde. Das wäre mir so unangenehm.
I have questions. So the fish is determining your stock picks?
Yeah, it's fish. It's fish is the idea. So we've got a front-facing camera. The fish is prompted with 2 stocks. Whichever side it spends more time on, just that stock. Do you have any more questions? You know, not everyone can see the vision, and that's okay. It's not like I'm mad. I'm not mad or anything.
Es ist so geil. Ich muss diesen Kanal sowas von abonnieren, ey. Das ist genial.
I guess the world just isn't ready for this technology. All I wanted to do was get super, super, super fucking rich. But maybe I don't deserve it. But I think I know someone who does. So I sold all the stocks in the portfolio and withdrew the money.
This is the exact amount of money Frederick has made so far. $1,007.59.
Ja, immerhin. Jetzt hat er aber nicht gesagt, wie viel er investiert hat. Es steht zwar im Titel 50.000, aber hat er, glaube ich, noch nicht gesagt.
Goldfish made this?
And then I went back to where I got him.
I got him from this tank. And now he's doing such big things. Excuse me, I'm looking to get some like better filters and food.
They're really good filters.
Awesome, I will grab this. What about food?
Stuff like this.
Oh, that's some fancy shit. So, the rest is for Frederick.
Sorry?
It's for Frederick, the rest of it?
Frederick?
Yeah, the rest is for Frederick. You can keep the rest. Frederick made it. Thank you.
Wie geil ist das? Der hat dir das ganze Geld gegeben.
Wham, Michael, why did it take you so long to make the video? I don't fucking know. It feels like I blacked out for 8 months and still somehow managed to procrastinate the video until the last minute like a dumbass. But hey, still faster than internet historian, baby. That's what matters. And as for Frederick, he made enough money to retire. He'll live out the rest of his days in Fish Paradise.
Welcher Zeit hat der Fisch die 1000 gemacht? Ich glaube, das waren die 3 Monate, oder? Wenn ich mich nicht irre. Okay, sehr cool. Das ist echt ziemlich cool. Ich hoffe, dir hat dieses Reaktionsformat gefallen. Jede Woche schauen wir uns gemeinsam live auf Twitch mit der Community Videos zum Thema Finanzen an. Einige Highlights aus anderen Videos findest du hier oder hier. Und wenn du die zukünftigen Highlights aus unseren Streams nicht verpassen willst, dann solltest du auf jeden Fall Überfluss abonnieren. Danke fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Video.